Welcome to the GreyAtom YouTube channel. Here you'll get everything from a webinar, student diary, data science Fridays where your questions are answered. Basically everything that you need to get yourself upskilled in data sciences. Hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, have a look at the videos, and if you find something interesting, don't forget to like it. Follow us socially and we will be there always serving you the best.
Hey, how are you? My name is Mayuresh and I'm the co-founder at GreyAtom and I look after admissions and counseling. It's good to have you once again for another episode of some of these question series where I take the questions from all the aspirants and help them make that transition from their current careers into data sciences. Thank you so much. So we have a question for the day, and this is a question that I've been asked at least 1,000 times over the last 1 year. And the question is, I'm just starting out with data sciences. What should I focus on? R or Python? R or Python? I think it is a very classic question that gets asked to a lot of people, and people just deliberate what I should start off with, what's the right thing to do, is there a one significant advantage over the other, so on and so forth. So I'll just give the answer straight right up front. The answer is pick one, anyone, stay with it and go in the depth. Pick one, stay with that, go in the depth. That's the recipe. You don't need to master both the languages. You need to just pick one language, go really into the depth of it, and you'll be doing a big favor to yourself. Personally, GreyAtom, we believe that we want to stay with Python, and there are some few good reasons we believe we want to stay with Python, and I'll just quickly share some of them with you over this particular video. Great. So I think just to understand where R essentially comes from. So R essentially has a background where it is more and more suited for offline processing, where it is originally used since a time when offline processing and analytics per se was in vogue, and I think we were doing a lot of processing and then building out nice presentations and taking it to the masses. So that's where I think R really comes into play. It has an excellent and a very strong and a growing package library. So last time you checked CRAN, I think the number of packages were just going through the roof. Some really very interesting packages have been developed over there. More importantly, it is designed by statistician. The whole language per se has been designed by statistician. So R definitely has its pros. Very easy to learn, nice to pick up. R Studio has very nicely matured over the years, and it is one of the most intuitive and easy languages to get going started, so on and so forth. Python on the other hand has been the scientific part of the Python has been designed with a lot of engineering considerations being kept in mind. If you closely track, if you do a simple Google search, you will very closely see that the Python and the uptake of Python as a general purpose programming language and the scientific Python that you have seen has really ballooned over the years, and the trend seems to indicate that it is also going to go north in time to come. So it is a language with definitely a lot of great prospects. As I said, it is a general purpose programming language. It has elements of object oriented programming which lends itself to great amount of scalability going forward. So these are definitely some very well documented pros with Python. There are some definite wrappers and languages like PySpark and everything that is written keeping in mind that you want to support the whole ecosystem of developers that is being developed in and around Python. At GreyAtom, as I again said, we want to stay with Python, and all the curriculum that we have over here is essentially designed and defined with Python in mind. So guys, what's the right language for you? What should you pick? The answer is simple. Pick one, anyone, stay with it and go in depth. So I hope I have answered this question for you, R versus Python. So just stay with one and go for it. All the best.
Awesome. Congratulations. Thank you so much for watching this video end to end. On this particular channel, you will find everything that it takes to upskill you to become a data scientist. We have the 100% proven recipe. Check out the goodies over here, the workshops, the programs, and there's a number right here. Feel free to call me and I'll be very happy to help you with your journey in upskilling yourself and becoming a data scientist. Hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon. Just make sure that if you like this particular video, don't forget to like it and follow us socially. I'll be there helping you out with how to make that transition happen for you.
Log on to GreyAtom's learning platform to unlock more content. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.